In this video, I'll show you how to screen mirror your phone to your LG Smart TV in just a few easy steps. Step 1. Make sure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Connect your LG TV and your mobile phone to the same Wi-Fi network. This is important for screen mirroring to work. Step 2. Enable screen sharing on LG TV. Press the home button on your LG remote. Scroll and select Screen Share or Miracast, depends on your model. Your TV will start looking for a device to connect. Step 3. Mirror from your mobile phone. On Android, swipe down to open Quick Settings. Tap on Smart View, Cast, or Screen Share. Select your LG TV from the list. Tap Start or Allow when prompted. On iPhone, iOS, make sure your LG TV supports AirPlay. Press the Home button, go to Home, Dashboard AirPlay, turn it on. On your iPhone, swipe down and tap Screen Mirroring. Select your LG TV from the list. Step 4. Accept the connection on TV. A pop-up will appear on your LG TV. Click Accept or Yes to start mirroring your screen. Now your mobile screen should be visible on your LG Smart TV.